Today is Tuesday, June 20th, 2023, and here is a trade or a couple of trades that I had entered into earlier today. Since it had happened earlier, I'm going to do my best to remember or summarize what my thought process and the happenings. So I know I had trapped this trend up here at the top. It was on a higher time frame. I think this was like I don't know, 9 or so minute triangle. I'm unsure. I don't remember. Anyways, I just got that just for the direction of the trend. However, price, I think, had already played out this right here. So I was just waiting for the break of the MACD, which occurred right here. There was also the MACD here that already was bearish. So I thought that the move would be to sell. Also, the CJ arrow came up after after the triangle as well. However, price just began to move up and it did stop me out. And however, in hindsight, what I do see is price is going, so to capture this better. Like, this is an absolute almost no, or just, I have it in my notes to just beware when price is going through, or when the moving average is going through price. And this specifically, when I entered, I was just like, oh my goodness, I did what I should have paid more attention. And then another thing too, I remember capturing these two red lines because price just continued to hit in between. However, too, once it broke out, I was just like, oh, okay, yeah, it's now ready for the sell. I also captured this particular zone as well because I was like, well, if price comes down to here, if it violates this, then I know for sure that it's a sell. So with that being said, of course, I get stopped out. And then price goes on and I see, and I forget what time frame I was on. No, I wasn't on the 1 minute, so I was definitely lower. I was probably down to 15 or 10 seconds. I'm unsure. So then I finally realized, like, okay, price, okay, the MACD broke here. I still have the bullish sentiment. Everything is now looking bullish. And so I enter at this vertical line right here. Price begins to pull back. And then it takes off. It just continues going up. And once price got up to here, I moved my stop loss down, I moved my stop loss up. Slightly above the entry here. However, price did come back down and it did take me out. I'm also seeing too how price just continued to respect this particular zone. So I see also, had I left the stop loss alone, I could have potentially I could have potentially hit my take profit. Maybe, I'm unsure. What else can I capture here? Yeah, I think that's about it. So that's what happened. So I did come out in profit just because I moved the stop loss up. However, it didn't reach its full potential. Yep.